This is how you're going to complete your assignment for the week. Everything is under modules, organized by module number and then week number, with newest things at the top. And then you'll see instructions for the week and a PearDeck for each day we have class. I'm going to make the PearDeck live probably only the day that we have class, because I'm going to use the PearDeck as your attendance. So I'm not going to make all the PearDecks available at one time, because this is still your class and you still need to attend it every day. And I can check your attendance when you sign into the PearDeck. So you click on the PearDeck for the day, it'll have the date right here. Go through the PearDeck, follow all instructions in the PearDeck, and then you'll take screenshots of your work and upload them to a separate document, which I will link. So when you click on the PearDeck, it'll ask you how you're feeling, you just hit whatever, and it'll start you at the beginning. Mine's starting me at the end because I already went through them all. It'll start you here, and then it'll have instructions with links and all of that. What I'm going to do for your attendance is, this is what I see as a teacher. When I click on roster, right now I'm the only person in this PearDeck because this is just an example. I can see who signed in and when. So that's how I'll know that you were present for class, and this is how I'll take attendance. If you are in this PearDeck. And then at the end of the PearDeck, I put questions to make sure that you go through the whole PearDeck and you understood everything. So you're just going to click through the PearDeck each day, read the instructions on the slides. I tried to make it easy with pictures. There we go. So you usually have a slide here telling you to check the agenda. Just so that you know, the agenda is always posted in Canvas. It has been since the beginning of the year. But it tells you what you're going to do in class. It tells you what your assignment is. And then if you have a quiz or anything coming up, it'll tell you in the notes or the announcement section. So always start each class by checking the agenda. And then you will need to take screenshots. That is the only way I'll know whether or not you completed everything. So I have videos here teaching you how to complete a screenshot. If you don't know how to complete a screenshot or how to take a screenshot, it is your responsibility to contact me and I will teach you, or you can watch the videos and learn. And then each step, you'll usually have 2 steps each day. I give you instructions, choose one, and then I gave you an approximate time. I couldn't put a timer in PearDeck, so it's kind of up to you to figure out 15 minutes, set a timer on your phone or something. And then you have 2 options, Quizlet, StudyStack. Click the option that you want, take a picture of your work when it's done. I put a picture of what StudyStack will look like when it'll say you've completed 100%. Quizlet, I think you know. And then you'll have a second step. Same thing, I choose one, takes 10 minutes. Oh, I can put a timer in PearDeck. There we go, I'll put a timer in PearDeck for you so that you have it every time. And then you just go through the slides each day. These are the questions that I put at the end for you, and I already answered them. Again, on the teacher side, I can see who answered them. Right now I only have one answer because I'm the only person in it. But I can see that you answered them and that you made it all the way to the end, and that's how you'll get your attendance. So a couple things to look for in these slides. Anytime you see this camera, that means you're going to take a screenshot of something. So pay attention when you see the camera button here. If you see this mouse icon, that means that a picture is clickable and it'll take you somewhere, like where it says go through the flashcards on Quizlet. If you click on the Quizlet image, it'll take you to your flashcards. Other things to look out for, if you see blue words, those are links that you can click on. You're going to practice these things. You're going to take a screenshot of them. So those are the main things. Look for the camera icon for screenshots. Blue words or the arrow means that there's a link there for you to click on to open up something. Make sure you read the instructions on each slide. It looks like a lot, but if you read through it, it'll take you about 10 seconds, and then you decide which activity you would like to do. At the end, you'll have 3 questions. If it's an audio question, in the lower right corner, there's an audio icon that you click on to play it. I think all of them for this one are audio. And then at the very end, it's going to tell you, upload your screenshots to this document. So it has an arrow. When you click on it, it'll open up a Google Doc. And this is where you're going to put your screenshots. So it asks you, what activity did you complete? You can just delete the other option. If I did Quizlet, I'll just put Quizlet. And then picture. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Find that picture, that proof of work that you took while you were going through it, and put it right there. You have one for day 1 of class, and then one for the second day of class. So don't hit turn in on this until the end of class at the end of the week, because once you hit turn in, you won't be able to go back and put in your pictures. So do not hit turn in until the end of class. And then that's it.